want to children to do. This year the Queen quit head upon the body of this year Gullah Geechee Nation. I want children to join me upon Centennial Island. So, ¿qué pasa? ¿Cómo estás? Now, the reason that I greet you that way this time is because this is Hispanic Heritage Month in the United States. So for a special broadcast of Gullah Geechee Guianan Nation News, I had visitors here from various Latin American countries and Caribbean countries, and got a chance to just stand up for a little while and chit-chat with some of them as they came here to learn more about the Gullah Geechee Nation and about how to retain African culture and traditions so that they can go back to their nations and also not only discuss us, but then also see about the dynamics of the African cultures in their own countries. So you get a chance to journey with me a little while. So if Hana Chillin Yeti, some other rest of voice D in the background and things like that, that are most likely the Oman Huda try to interpret what we've been crack teeth and see. So if you hear extra little voice on the side sometimes, that's probably one of the interpreters that's trying to make sure that the Spanish-speaking people understand the English-speaking ones and the English-speaking ones understand the Spanish-speaking ones. But Hana Chillin know when we crack we teeth like this, everybody just have to listen. Okay, so yes, so definitely we're glad and we are proud of our folks who are part of still Latin America's history. Many of them are called Moscogos in Mexico. We are still with you. Our heart goes out to you, and we definitely celebrate with all our brothers and sisters around the world who crack it teeth in Espanol. But we are glad when they also retain their own languages and traditions. So Hana Guan let a little bit about that, because this year the what going on. This year the Queen quit. One more again down here in the Gullah Geechee Nation. We have plenty of children that come to visit me today, and look ya, amongst them another rest of royalty. We got me brother here who is a king in Panama. Now many of Hana children not yet much for Panama and things like that, but Hana need for go look for Panama. Hana probably only think about the Panama Canal, but we got plenty of we children, plenty of we family what did it, was still connected, things like that. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Cómo está?
Muy bien, contento de estar aquí, de conocerla, de saber que hay otra cultura cercana, donde hay otro reinado en nuestro continente.
Ah, yes, sí, sí. And see, it's good, right? Connect.
Muy bien, muy conectado.
Yes, so now you are a king in Panama, but where does the culture come out of that you are a king?
¿Dónde proviene la cultura de la cual eres un rey?
Bueno, soy rey de la tradición Congo, heredada de nuestros ancestros esclavos llegados para la colonización de América y la conquista. De allí nacen nuestras comunidades llamadas palenques, y cada comunidad o cada palenque tiene un rey y una reina. Nuestra cultura es matriarcal. Las mujeres son las que mandan. Yo soy el rey acompañante de una reina.
Okay, so now your culture normally in Palenque, right? Palenque in Panama is normally matrilineal in terms of how the community is, but the culture and tradition you represent comes out of the Congo, right? Okay, so now how do you? Did he add more to that?
He added that it's a matriarchal.
It's matriarchal. Yes, that's what I'm saying.
Only the men are kings.
Only the men are kings.
But matriarchal.
But how do you get to be a king in a matriarchal society?
Porque en la tradición hay una señora y luego viene el señor. Ella es dueña de la historia, de la tradición, de la casa. Y el señor es señor de la guerra, el que provee lo que necesita la comunidad para que ella reine.
Okay, so then basically the women take care of and keep the story of the family at home, like in the village, as we would say. Right, the heritage, and they keep those traditions going. But then the men, they actually go out, they're more in the public arena. So in the government and things like that. That's basically how it is. And they're supposed to protect the family and the community. And so that's what you are charged to do as the leader, as a king, right? Is to protect all the people.
Claro, claro. Y mantener el reinado.
To keep the reign.
Oh, kingdom.
Lo más importante para un rey es que haya una reina y debe protegerla así sea con su propia vida.
So the most important thing is to protect the queen, even if it's for your own life.
Okay, so that's the most important job you have, is protecting the queen. So it's almost like the game of chess. You must protect the queen.
Es como puede hacer eso, le debe proteger a la reina.
Right?
Más importante.
Más importante. Más importante. So, why did you come on this trip? Why did you come to the Gullah Geechee Nation?
¿Qué te dice la nación Gullah?
Bueno, nos han traído en este programa sobre la herencia cultural afro aquí en Estados Unidos y creo que ha sido una experiencia muy importante. Siento la conexión con el espacio, siento que reinan mis ancestros aquí y que no es una casualidad, es un camino destinado en mi vida.
So this was destined in your life to be here because this is part of the connection of your ancestors globally, worldwide, that all the ancestral energy drew you here, essentially. Yes, yes. And so we are so pleased. And I know you and I made a connection when you saw the conch. The conch. So
Yo
you
hicimos
know.
una conexión cuando viste su nombre, ¿te acuerdas?
Yes. And so we know that conch is always the signal.
Pututo.
Yes, Potuto,
Potuto.
Ajá, Potuto. And we call the conch is Potuto in Panama and in La Lengua, in Congo. See, in Congo. So you know many Gullah Geechees came from Congo here. So that means we have come full circle and reconnected.
Nos hemos reconectado.
Yes. So, gracias. Muchas gracias.
Bendiciones a la red.
Blessings.
Vaya con Dios.
Gracias.
Peace and many blessings. Once again, this year the Queen Quet, and this year that we're going on. See, we got family everywhere.